Hey everybody, it's Cheryl from Buckeye Outdoors. Today we have the Olight Perun right angle 2000 lumen light. We're going to be doing two reviews on this. The first review is today, and what we're going to be doing today is basically unboxing, going over the pertinence, and checking out what you get with your new Perun. Now, I was sent this light by my friends at Skyben Amazon. Couple things to know. There is going to be a link down below going to my friends at Skyben. Go down and clicky on the linky to check that bad boy out. The other thing you should know is that I do not do affiliate links. I do not get paid anything if you visit or buy from the links that I drop down below. That being said, my opinions are my own. If I don't like something, I say something. That's how my reviews work. So they sent me this light for review. I will be getting the headband later, and I want to do some trail testing on this light. I want to take it out on the trail, do real world testing. And my Beamshots are usually pretty good, but I think this deserves both. And the array that's coming up that review, we're going to be doing the same thing with the array. We're going to be doing measured Beamshots and trail testing, so there's going to be 2 rounds of Beamshots. So what can you expect after this video today? You can expect another video in a few days where we go over a little bit more comprehensively, and we do a lot of Beamshot work. And I am going to be comparing this with 2 other lights that you're going to see in a second. So far, pretty neat little light, right? I think it's going to be a home run. Let's check it out. All right, everybody, so let's open this bad boy up. Just throwing things around. Don't mind me, I'm just throwing a light around. Kind of typical Olight packaging is getting really pretty nice, kind of embossed, you know. Let's take a look at the back of this. You can pause that if you need to. Again, pause it if you need to. We're going to move right along. There's some of your pertinence, folks. Notice the lower candela. This bad boy is going to be floody, I do believe. Let's check it out. And got some tape here. All right. Thank you for being part of the Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Well, besides the point that they're making millions of dollars is irrelevant, right? But they are. Come on now. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Nice little felt line packaging there, right? God, that's beautiful. Wow. Dramatic. It's a real dramatic appearance. I mean, that's the first thought, right? Is when you see it, it's just like, bam. Gotta admit, the black looks great. Wow. Daggone, boys, that's a nice light. Very nicely done. I like the presentation when you open the package, right? I mean, it's got this nice little script, and it tells you that, and boom, that thing jumps out at you. We'll see what else we got here. Nice, very nice. All right. So let's open. I'm going to assume what that is. That is a new and improved, probably a thing for the lanyard. Or has the flashlight bro says, damn lanyards. Nice lanyard, typical lanyard. Manual. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so that was for the lanyard, by the way. That's kind of a new one too, is used to be the thin little needle. Now they've really upped their game. They keep upping their game on accessories, right? That's what's getting me, is, you know, everybody knows I used to rep Phoenix a lot, and God, we struggled when it came to accessories. Hold on one second, guys. We gotta lower the camera. Right, so let's take a closer look at this bad boy. Isn't that pretty? Telling you what, man, that's a good looking light right there. That is a beautiful light. Got that nice deep carry pocket clip. Got that really super aggressive knurling. sweet. God, that's a nice light. So we're really going to have to dig into the UI some on this. Let's dig into that a bit. Bear with me here. So here is some more of the pertinence. All right, we can see that. Lanyard attachment. We live in a world where we have to explain to people how to attach a lanyard, but it's true. We do live in a world like that. Moonlight mode, turbo mode, lockout mode. So there's quite a few modes. In the next video, we're going to go more into the UI, just for the sake of time and making an extremely long intro video. We're probably not going to do that today, but do know, of course, this light does have a sensor so that when something cuts near it, it can tone the light down, is my understanding. And of course, magnetic charging, like so. Let's take another close look at it. Yeah, she's a beauty, boy. I'll say that. That's a nice looking light right there. Looks really floody too. Now there's one thing I did want to do with this light, was I wanted to bring in a little comparison. So when I'm reviewing this light with the Beamshots, I'm also going to be comparing it against the Sofirn SP40 and the Rofis R3. And I think that Rofis R3 is still available through Skyben. That light is pretty cool too. That's really a nice light. But I wanted to compare all these, as obviously they're all right angle lights. And I thought, you know, might be a pretty good comparison to have other birds of a feather and, you know, kind of see how they all do together. God, what a nice light though. I mean, just the packaging, the whole package, just super nice. It's a beautifully built light. Let's see my serial number here. Comparing that, you know, lens to lens with the SP40. Comparing that with the R30 Rofis. So yeah, it was going to be a fun beam shot comparison, because we're going to do just the standalone beam shots, but then we're going to add in the Rofis R3 and the SP40, and that way we've got a pretty good little competition there. Let's take this bad boy apart one more time here. I want to look at something. Okay, that's kind of all press fit in there, isn't it? Again, let's take a look at the threads. Yeah, that's nice, boy. That is a beaut. This is probably one of the best looking O-lights I have. I have a few. I have the Baton and the I mean, I've got a few. The Warrior, the M2T, the M2R. I got a few. The Mini, the Baton. I have a few lights, and this one just smokes them. This thing's beautiful. Nice job of Olight, huh? All right, guys, so here's the scoop. Like I said, there's going to be a second video. The second video is going to get a little more comprehensively into the UI and things like that, because we're actually going to be playing with it outdoors and making the UI do what it's supposed to do. Rather than just doing it inside of a house, we're going to go out and see if it really does what it's supposed to do. Second, and we're going to be, you know, eventually getting the headband for it. So we're going to be doing measured beam shots with it. We're going to be comparing it against two other right angle lights, all 18650 lights, which I think is cool. And we're going to be kind of, you know, I wouldn't say a shootout, but more of a comparison and then contrast between the three. I think this light is so versatile, it deserves a couple of videos. So that's exactly what it's going to get. So be looking for that video in a few days, and then down the road, we're going to do a long-term video. I like doing long-term videos because, you know, the short-term videos are great, but things tend to happen over time and over use. My lights are not shelf queens. My lights go out in camping, backpacking trips, they get thrown down ravines, they get hit by excavators. True story. It happens. My lights get used. My lights are daily drivers, and they get used heavily and sometimes pushed to their extreme. So this light is definitely going to be on the block to get, you know, tested to its limits. We're going to see what this bad boy is truly capable of. I don't do backyard beam shots, guys. You all know me by now. So it's going to be real world testing, and again, I can't wait to get the headband for this thing. This thing is going to kick butt out there. Now, if you know both of these two lights, you know, the SP40 and the R3, they both can double as headlamps as well. But I'm already seeing some comparison differences. I mean, just size-wise, the R3 is a monster compared to that thing. So it's going to be a good time with this one. I'm looking forward to it. Drop down in the comments what you guys think of the Perun if you have it. What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? Let me know what you think about the Perun down below. Do you like the headband? Like I said, I didn't get the headband with this one, but I will be getting it. And we'll take it from there, guys. Again, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till then, cheers. Well, everybody, what'd you think of that? Pretty cool, right? I'm pretty impressed with it. It's a good looking light. But I think what's going to be a lot of fun is comparing it head to head against the SP40 by Sofirn and the R3 by Rofis. It's going to tangle with these guys, kind of in a beam shot comparison, and it'll kind of help you to understand where this light really sits. You know, the R3 is a bit of a thrower. The SP40 is a little bit more of a versatile light, a little bit more floody, more throw. I mean, it's going to be a good comparison, I think. I do hope so. So again, go and check out that link below to my good friends at Skyben Amazon. Also, be looking for part 2 in a few days. You won't want to miss it. Cheers.